Vlogmas Day 18, and I thought that I would create like little gingerbread houses for today. But guys, I didn't want to do like the whole regular gingerbread house thing or whatever. So I thought I would maybe do a little ghetto, you know, gingerbread house with some graham crackers and like some nerds and some Skittles and some cream cheese, okay? So I'm just gonna try to make like a little graham cracker, little gingerbread type house, because it'll be mini, it won't be huge, and it'll actually probably be edible because those gingerbread houses are so big and thick and stuff. Not big and thick, but anyway. So they be, you know, just too big sometimes. Like, I think that you can't even eat them. Like, I don't even know if you can actually eat those things. So I was like, I want one where I could actually eat it. So I was just like, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. I just wanted to try something new. This might be a fail. If it is a fail, then it's a fail, okay? But if it's not a fail, then it's not a fail, okay? I just wanted to try something creative, okay? That's what I wanted to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out my graham crackers. I'm gonna take out everything that I think I'll need for this, and put the rest of the things that I don't need back away because I don't want to waste food. But yeah, for the most part, I do want to get me a decent little gingerbread home, or graham cracker home, I should say. So let's get into it. I'm ready. Okay. And like, I'll just talk to you guys as I make this little gingerbread house. I didn't get this idea from nobody. I literally just thought of it and was like, okay, let me go get things. I'm gonna go make it. Cause bam, that's what I wanna do. That's what we're gonna do. So I'll at least need 4 of these for like the base. Maybe I need like 4. Well, I will say this. When I worked an after school program, we did do little gingerbread houses, and we did do them out of graham crackers. So maybe I got a little low-key inspiration from the kids and stuff, and you know, everything. I might even show you guys how to do Band-Aids after, because I have graham crackers, I have strawberry jelly and cream cheese, so I maybe could show you guys how to do that quick little snack. So yeah, I don't want to do too many of these. Okay, it's open. Like I said, I don't want to waste anything. I'm gonna kind of use the nerds for like garnish, so we'll probably need more, but I'm gonna start off with a little bit and then we'll work our way up. Okay. So now the Skittles. Once again, I'm gonna use the Skittles for like garnish as well, and I'll be like, you know, using the cream cheese to kind of glue everything together. And I just thought like graham crackers, cream cheese, that's gonna taste really good together. That's gonna taste like a cheesecake. So what, you know. So let's open the little baggie. This thing is extremely hard to open. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So yeah, guys, I honestly cannot wait until Christmas because my brother gave the absolute most greatest gift, and I will, me and my sisters, he gave it to us together, and we already know because he wanted to make sure that it was something that we would all like, so he had to let us know. So I honestly cannot wait. The thing is, this gift is so big that we're not even going to get it on Christmas. It's going to be a thing that we have to get sometime later in the year, but for the most part, I'm hoping that me and my sisters have like, well, we're not even for the most part, like, we're gonna have a good time. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the cream cheese and put it at the edge of this wax paper that I have. And that's where I'm gonna put this. But yeah, I think we're definitely gonna have a good time. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my graham crackers and I'm gonna, bam, open them like that. Then, bam, do the same thing that happened. I don't know why I'm making sound effects, honey. I guess because I'm excited, low-key. Like, I'm hoping this is not a fail. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, like, take it and put it at, like, the edges of, like, the thingy. The cracker. And this should be used to, like, stick it together. And stack, like, one cracker on top of the other cracker. So, yeah, it should be really cool. So, look at how it's coming out so far, guys. Looks like low-key marshmallow or something. Maybe I should kind of, like, spread it out to preserve some of the cream cheese. So, we'll spread it out like that. So, I've got the bottom looking the way that I want it to look. So now I'm going to start stacking my crackers. And I think I want the outside to be the... Ooh, look at that, guys. Look. Let me see. This has got to go this way. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'll take some of the corners and like add more cream cheese. Guys, this actually might not be a fail. Like, this might turn out to be, ooh, goodness gracious. This just bust open my damn parchment paper. Goodness gracious, goodness gracious. Like, I think that would be on this side too. Bam, bam, bam. This is smelling kind of good. Like, ooh, wow. Ooh, look at me. Okay, guys, so as you guys could see, we already have almost the base of the house done. So I'm gonna go ahead and break open another. Okay, guys, look at that. The house is like halfway made. And I think that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the cream cheese and like spread it on the sides so I just know that it'll stay.
Let's go.
Okay guys, I'm at a little bit of a crossroad. I'm trying to figure out how to get this to go, because there's going to be like a gaping hole right there. So I'm thinking maybe I need one more graham cracker. You know what, guys? I'm just going to leave the top open like this, because we ain't got time, honey. If you guys want to recreate these, though, and do your own, just make sure you guys tag me or let me know, and, you know, give your girl her credit. Let me know that you've seen it from me first, you know. And you got the little inspo for me. Okay. So I'm just going to start decorating now. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna stop the gingerbread house right here, because at this point it just keeps falling apart, and I kind of just want to eat it because it smells really good and things like that. So I'm gonna just probably try a little bit of it. That tastes good. But you know what I think I'm going to do too, guys? I want to show you guys how to make Band-Aids. So I already bit off my cracker. But I'm going to go get some grape jelly here really quick. And this might sound really, or not grape jelly, but strawberry jelly. This might sound really strange, but you take the cream cheese and you put it on there. And then you put strawberry jelly on top. So it looks like the Band-Aid, the white part of the Band-Aid, and then the strawberry jelly is supposed to be like the blood or whatever. And you put that on there, and that's a Band-Aid. And it's like a quick little snack that you guys could give your kids and stuff. And I learned that when I was at like an after-school program that I worked at. I'm just gonna go get the jelly so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so I have my strawberry jelly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, ooh, the house falling apart, guys. And you just put a little bit of strawberry jelly. And like I said, this might sound weird, but it's almost like it tastes like a strawberry cheesecake. Like at first when they told me about this snack at my little candies are just gonna keep falling off, okay? But when they first told me about this snack, I was like, what? No, that sounds nasty. But then I tried it and I was like, oh my God, this is so good. Right. Alright guys, so I'm just going to wrap everything up here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as in the outro, and I'll have them here on the screen. Alright guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!